Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And let's get ready for Junk Journal July of 2025. Can't believe we're already so far into the year that we are now prepping for Junk Journal July. And this one is a quick announcement video where I just wanted to share all the prompt list and the printable, where you can get the prompt list as well as some little goodies for your Junk Journal July adventure in the description down below. There will be a link to a Google Docs where you can download the full printable to join me on this creative adventure. I was so sad to hear that Mac Journals isn't doing the Junk Journaling Challenge this year, so I decided to do it for all of us and set up a prompt list for this year's Junk Journal July Challenge. So hopefully you will follow me on this creative daily Junk Journal Challenge for this July. And I will be doing all the prompts on my channel in a daily video, so hopefully you will have fun and spend some good quality creative time with all of us. And I would absolutely love if you share your junk journal spreads, if you do them daily or the time when you do them. Share them with the hashtag Junk Journal July 2025 so that we can all find and get inspired by each other and our community here. So now let's have a little read through of the prompts for this year. And then I can't wait to dive into the challenge with all of you guys and see your beautiful ideas and the beautiful spreads you come up with. For day one, it's star. The second prompt is shadow, summer, botanical, opening, thankful, travel, bags, forest, freedom, stripes, secret note, junk mail, desk setup or workspace, time capsule, circle, sunrise or sunset, torn, keepsake, art deco, wanderlust, shimmer, field notes, contrast, triangle, vintage, peak, cursive, ribbon, favorite place, and gold. Can't wait to dive into the challenge with all of you guys, and visit the link in the description down below to download your own printable with all the prompts for the daily Junk Journaling Challenge for July of 2025. And I hope I see all of you guys very soon on our daily creative adventures. Thanks so much for watching and happy creating. See you very soon.